Hello everyone, I hope you all are fantastic and safe at home. Myself Shailaja Dhumar and I welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Children, myself Shailaja Dhumar and I am the teacher of your class, of UKG class of literacy subject. So children, there are some instructions whenever you are sitting in front of the TV or mobile to attend the online classes. That time you have to keep with your water bottle with you, pencil, eraser and respective subjects textbook. Okay. So children, in this year there is a new publication which is My First Steps with Cambridge. We have taken new book publication which is Cambridge University Press. So in that, My First Steps with Cambridge Upper KG Literacy Skill Book. As I told you, I am the class teacher of UKG standard and my subject is literacy. Okay, so this was literacy textbook of literacy skill book. Second one, My First Steps with Cambridge Upper KG Literacy Workbook. Next is My First Steps with Cambridge Upper KG Phonics Skill Book, and afterwards, lastly, My First Steps with Cambridge Upper KG Phonics Reader. So children, in UKG class, in literary subject, you have total 4 books. What I am saying, listen it, understand it very carefully. In UKG class, you have total 4 books for literacy subject. Okay. So every day when you are sitting in front of the TV or YouTube, in front of the mobile to attend online classes, you have to keep these textbooks with you. Okay. So children, I welcome you all to this new academic year of 21-22. So shall we begin our today's session? Are you ready? Okay. Now children, last year you were in LKG class, right? And you learned alphabets. Yes? So do you remember those alphabets? Okay, now I will ask some questions to you. Tell me, A for apple, very good. B for ball, very nice. C for cat. D for dog. So children, can we sing one song on these alphabets? Are you ready? Okay, now listen it very carefully, understand the pronunciation, okay, and repeat after teacher. So are you ready everyone? Okay, now say, A is for apple, apple. B for banana, banana. C is for cup, cup. D for dolphin, dolphin. E is for egg, egg. Very nice, very good. Listen it very carefully, okay? F for fish, for fish. G is for grass, grass. H is for house, house. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jar, jar. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for mask, mask. M is for mask, mask. N is for nose, nose. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for parrot, parrot. Q is for queen, queen. One more time. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rainbow, rainbow. S is for snake, snake. Yes, S is for snake, snake. T for table, table. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. V is for van, van. W for window, window. X for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yak, yak. Z for zebra, zebra. Wow, very nice. Claps for yourself. Very good, children. Okay, so now do you remember? I hope you enjoyed this song. Okay, now children, take your literacy skill book. Take your My First Steps with Cambridge Upper KG Literacy Skill book and come to page number 1. Okay, we'll learn some more details in alphabets. Okay, I hope you have opened this page, children. Yes. Can you see on the board? This is the alphabet chart. Okay, what it is? This is the alphabet chart. Now, open page number 1. Sorry. Yes. Alphabet chart, page number 1. So, children, now these are the alphabeticals. Total how many alphabets are there? Total 26 alphabets are there. So, now we are going to read these alphabeticals. Okay, now we'll read these alphabets. You repeat after me. Okay, but students, just listen my pronunciation very carefully because we are going to read this in phonic sounds. Okay, say children. Now what is this in this picture? This is ant. Say A for ant. Ant. Very good. Next. B for bee. A for ant. Ant. B for bee. Bee. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. Dog. Put your finger there. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fox. But here what you have to say? First say fox. For fox. For fox. G say giraffe. G is for giraffe. Giraffe. H for hat. Hat. I for igloo. Igloo. First we'll say the letter and their pronunciation in phonics. Okay. J for jam. Jam. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L for lion. Lion. Till here you understood? Now come to page number 2. Yes, after L, which letter will come? Yes, very good. M for monkey. Monkey. But while saying this monkey, you have to say monkey. Okay. N for nose. Nose. O for owl. Owl. P for penguin. Penguin. Q for quill. Quill. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for snake. Snake. Only you have to give the sound. Snake. T for tiger. Tiger. U for unicorn. Unicorn. V for vase. W for worm. See children, there are the difference in V and W. W, V. You have डाउन साइड का जो लिप है, नीचे का जो लिप है हमारा, वो ऊपर हमें टच करना है. V. And here only V. Vase like this. But here worm. W for worm. Worm. X for xylophone. xylophone. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra. आपको इधर से z वाइब्रेशन मिलती है आपको, right children? Z. Okay. So children, these A to Z alphabeticals just now we have read. You repeat after me, right? आपने मेरे पीछे repeat किया है. And which sound was that? In which sound we were reading these alphabeticals? We were reading in phonics sounds. Okay. Now what is phonic sounds? In literacy, there are the sounds of each letter. In literacy subject, there are the sound of each letter. Okay. Why those sounds are there? Because when we understand those sounds, it becomes more easy to read the words, to read the sentence, to speak in English language. English language में माने literacy subject में हर एक letter को एक sound दिया गया है. जैसे हमने अभी बोला A to Z हमने अभी बोला, उस हर एक letter का अलग अलग sound है. और ये जो sound जब हम लोग understand करते हैं, जब हम लोग अंडरस्टैंड करने के बाद ज्यादा रीडिंग करना स्टार्ट करते हैं तो हमें ये बहुत इजी हो जाता है कि इंग्लिश में कम्युनिकेट करें, इंग्लिश में रीडिंग करें. बट व्हेन इट विल हैपन, व्हेन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस ईच लेटर्स इन डिफरेंट साउंड्स. जब आप अंडरस्टैंड करोगे हर एक लेटर का अलग अलग फोनिक साउंड है, व्हेन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस, दैट टाइम यू आर गोइंग टू, दैट टाइम इट इज मोर इजी to speak in English and read the words. Okay. Now I hope you have understand till here. We'll go further. Now take your pencil, children. Come to page number 3. Okay. Now this is one practice sheet. What is here? Say aloud the first letter of each picture. Circle the odd one out. Can you see it properly? Okay. Now children, tell me which picture is this? Very good. A for aeroplane. Aeroplane. Nice. And you have to say like this only when I am asking you the answer. When I am asking you for the answer. Okay. When I am asking you the question, you have to give the answer in this way. A for aeroplane. Aeroplane. Okay. Next. Which picture is this? This is A for apple. And what will be the sound? Apple. Very nice. And what is this? Which picture is this? Ant. Yes, very nice. And what is the pronunciation? What will be the sound? Ant. Very nice. And which picture is this? This is ball. Ball. So children, can you recognize one thing? These three pictures start with letter A, right? But this picture start with letter B. This is A for aeroplane, A for apple, A for ant. This is B for ball. So what we have to do is, हमें क्या करना है? इस एग्जाम्पल्स में जो ऑड वन है ना, उसको हमें सर्कल करना है. So B for ball, ये B से आया है यहाँ पे. So this example will be different. Then what we have to do is, we have to circle there. Okay. Come on, circle it. Yes. Next, tell me, what is this? Which picture is this? L is for leaf. And what will be the sound? Leaf. Very nice. This one? C for cat. Very good. C is for cat. Cat. Very nice. Next, what it is? L is for lion. L is for lion. Lion. Very good. And what it is? L is for light. And what will be the sound? Light. So children, this is leaf, this is cat, this is lion, and this is light. In this, which one is odd one? Yes, very good. Cat. So what you have to do is, you have to circle it. Okay. Now next example. What is this? D for den. Very nice. Den. And this is W. कैसे बोला मैंने आपको? W. Watermelon. W for watermelon. Okay. Now this is window. You have to touch your upper lip to, you have to touch the downside lip to your upper lip. Okay. And this is wellfish. What it is? Wellfish. Very nice. So children, this is D for den, this is W for watermelon, this is window, this is W for well. So these are the three start with letter W. But this one is D for den, den. So which one will be the odd one? Yes, very nice. So you have to circle it. Next, come to this example. Which picture is this? This is mat. Very good. M is for mat. Mat. Very good. Next, what is this? This is E is for eagle. Very nice. This is A is for eagle. Eagle. But the pronunciation is different. There are some words that their pronunciation is different. Okay. There are some exceptional case also. And this is E is for engine. And this is A is for elephant. It means E. These words start with letter E. And here this is M is for mat. So this will be the odd one. Yes. Okay. Till here have you completed? Fine. I hope you have completed till here. Now come to page number 4. Have you opened this page? Okay. Now children, I hope you understand the odd one out examples of odd one out. Now this page number 4, this will be your homework. Say aloud the first letter of each picture, circle the odd one out. What you have to do is, again you have to see this picture, okay, read the words, like example I will give you. See, this is J is for jar, jar, okay. Next, M is for mango, mango. ऐसे आपको बोल के ये जो examples है ये solve करने हैं. So, write here HW, and this homework you have to complete at your home. You can take the help of your parent also. Okay? Okay, so children, I hope you understand today's session. Also, I hope you enjoyed the song which we have sung together. Okay, we'll see you in the next session. Till then, complete your homework and practice of phonic sounds. Thank you.